welcome to another episode of Phylum's Craft, the platform where you learn how to make shoe from the comfort of your home. In this particular video, I'm going to guide you through the process of coupling these particular slide sleepers. As you can see, we already have our patterns ready, the foot mat is ready, and the soles are ready. So let's begin. First of all, we want to fix the buckle, and the buckle goes here. So we need rivets. So the next thing is I'll need to file this foot. If you'd love to know how this foot mat was prepared, check out this video. The sole is ready, the upper also is ready. So we'll go straight to coupling. After attaching the foot mat to the sole, you last to the last you last the upper to the foot mat. Transfer it here. So the next thing is to file it and apply gum. I file it. Next is to apply gum on the surface and on that of the Great job, Phylums Craft. How do you see this end product? Isn't it beautiful? Please help us by subscribing, like, share, and comment. Thank you.